Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we will solve the worksheet of senses. Match the column. The first word is hand. Match the hand with the picture. Number 2 is ear. Match the ear with the picture. Number 3, eyes. Match the eyes with the picture. Number 4 is nose. Match the nose with the picture. Number 5, tongue. Match the tongue with the picture. Match the column. Match the senses with its uses. Hand is used for writing. Ear is used for hearing. Nose is used for smelling. Eye is used for seeing. Tongue is used for taste. Question number 3 is true or false. If the answer is true, then put a tick. If the answer is wrong, then put a cross. Sentence number 1 is we see with our nose. Is this sentence right? No, the sentence is wrong, so put a cross here. Number 2 is we use our legs for running. Is this sentence true? Yes, it is true, so put a tick here. Number 3, we have 4 senses. Is this true? No, it is not true, so put a cross here. Number 4, we feel with touch. Is this true? Yes, it is true, so put a tick here. Number 5, we use hands for walk. Is this true? No, it is wrong, so put a cross here. Fill in the blanks. Hand is used for touching. Number 2, ear is used for hearing. Nose is used for smelling. Eyes are used for watching. Tongue is used for taste.